How to use the mock test and the Pyqs for the OMPT success, a complete strategy. So OMPT always tests your knowledge. OMPT tries to testify that whether this person actually belong to this foreign universities or not. So understanding the real purpose of the mocks, you have to understand this is the showing of the mock and to identify your weakness, useful data and the confirmation where you are actually lying. So every mock is a feedback. Topic-wise PYQ mapping is very important. First, arrange PYQs chapter-wise like algebra, calculus, linear algebra, logic, and the discrete math. And the count it the frequency, the high frequency equal to high priority. So this is a data driven study plan. I'm going to give it to you. So three phase PYQ problem. Phase one is with respect to the first is a diagnostic phase, solve without the time limit and focus on the accuracy part. Okay, this is the very important thing. Then you go to phase two, that is the training phase, solving with respect to any with a partial timer and improve speed and logic. And the third is the simultaneous phase where the full length papers you need to do it in a proper time. This is the build stamina. So advanced mock test routine is very much needed, like same time slot, same sitting posture, no mobile, no interruption. That you need to do it because at the time of examination that's gonna happen. This is the real condition. And how to rule for the mock analysis. For every 1 hour mock, spend at least 2 hours in analyzing. So wrong answers, lucky guesses, slow questions, conceptual gapping, we will help you with respect to that as well. Building your personal weakness profile is very much important if you really want to do well. The pattern recognition technique is also there, 15 to 20, like what kind of structure I am doing and the repeated logic on the standard traps on the question, everything you need to work on. So the last 15 days will be the mock dominance phase. You will be giving like 3 to 4 mocks, so like your brain will be exam ready, because many of the cases people do not score very well because they are not ready in their mind regarding the examination. So we will be doing it for you in the classes as well. And in the next video we'll be talking about time management and the smart questioning selection for strategy as well.